Hello? I've just kind of been procrastinating making this video, procrastinating coming back and kind of just filling you guys in on what exactly has been going on in my life. And the month of May definitely was not an easy month for me. If you guys have been following me on YouTube or Instagram, I've been posting on the community tab just because I know a lot of you don't follow me on Instagram. Just kind of updating you on what exactly has been going on. I apologize for my appearance, pardon how I look. I literally just woke up, drank my coffee, and I'm like, you know, I really need to just sit down, talk to you guys. You all are my friends. You all are super supportive and just great. I really appreciate all of your love and support just these past couple of weeks. Just know that it's meant a lot to me. This, you know, it's really just helped me a lot. This month has just been really, really difficult. As you guys know, the month of April for me was a really, really great month. As you guys know, I suffer with a lot of different mental health issues, and I've kind of briefly talked about some of those things. And, you know, even with seeking psychiatric help and, you know, I am on medication and things like that, you know, you still can have really bad days, really bad months, that kind of a thing. And, you know, you're not going to have a perfect month all the time. And I was really hoping that, you know, since April was so great, that just the next couple months, especially May, would just be great, and it hasn't been. I really debated going back and forth whether to make a video kind of explaining what all's been going on, and I really feel like personally I need to just say what I need to say, kind of explain what's been going on instead of just coming on YouTube and pretending like everything's okay, because it hasn't been. As you guys know, there was a pretty traumatic family event that happened, and I literally spent this last week and a half just sobbing and grieving. My grandmother passed away, and it just happened so suddenly. Like, she hasn't been doing well for a really long time, and I had just seen her, I visited her, and literally the next day my world flipped upside down. It was so, in that respect, it just kind of made everything, like, you know, kind of happen out of nowhere. You know, if you've seen a family member or a friend or something, you know, the day before and the next day, like, something happens, you know, you can just be like, I thought everything was okay. And it definitely shook me up a lot. It was very emotionally draining and traumatizing. There was a whole week where I didn't know what was going on with her and if she was getting better or not. And, you know, my grandmother did pass away, and it was very, very hard for me. It's been really difficult, and I didn't feel like coming on here sobbing my eyes out and, you know, being like, yeah. You know, I'm at peace with it now, and I've been spending a lot of time with my family and stuff, so it's just been really good. And I'm slowly getting back to a better place. So that's just been the biggest thing that's been really difficult in that respect. And before all of that happened with my grandmother, I was really, really struggling with my mental health. And I've shared with you all, I struggle with PMDD, which is just one of the issues that I struggle with, and it really hit me hard last month. I was sleeping a lot, literally taking like 2 naps a day. I'd wake up in the morning, I'd be getting up at like 6:30, and then I'd stay awake till like 10, and then I'd go back to sleep till like 12, and then I'd be up again, and then I'd go to bed at like 7. Like, it was just, my sleep schedule and everything was just horrible. Just didn't really find happiness or motivation in doing stuff that I literally was enjoying doing last month, you know, in April. May was just an up and down roller coaster of all these different emotions. So on top of that, just with my grandmother and everything happening there, it just literally snowballed and was a lot to handle. And I know I come on YouTube appearing really happy and really great, and I film on days where I do feel really good and stuff, but I didn't feel comfortable continuing to make beauty videos and, you know, talking about makeup and stuff when my personal life just felt like an absolute mess. I didn't feel genuine to myself, and I didn't feel like putting on a happy face just, you know, to get a video up. And I really just appreciate you all just letting me take this time off. And this is kind of just a video I wanted to make for myself, you know, like I said, personal closure, to kind of put that month behind me. It's a new month. It's June 2nd that I'm filming this on, and I wanted to come on here and be super authentic with you all, just be like, this is how I've been looking. You know, it's June, it's a new month. I really just want to do a lot better this month and kind of move forward. So different things. I dyed my hair. I don't know if you can see, I literally did split hair again. Can you tell? I did purple. It's looking more blue on camera. Purple and then blue. With my hair, I kind of just messed around with my hair for a little bit, just to kind of, just during that time of limbo where I didn't really know exactly what was going on with my grandmother and stuff. Like, I just felt super uneasy, and I helped my family how I could and stuff, and I got to see her, and it was just, you know, a lot. So I felt like, you know, instead of doing something harmful to myself, which I normally do to deal with stuff like that, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna play with my hair or do something, or, you know, kind of try. And I did my nails a bunch of times, and literally did my nails and then I pick them all off again, like that kind of stuff, instead of doing, you know, other things. I don't know, this video is just all over the place, but I just wanted to say thank you all so much for your patience and everything. And I think after this video, I, you know, feel better coming back and, you know, making my regular content, because I miss doing makeup. I miss, you know, filming and talking with you all about stuff. I really have been wanting to just play with eyeshadow and just kind of just mess around, and, you know, I want to get back to how life was and not feel guilty about it. You know, it's like when you're grieving, you're like, I feel guilty moving on and doing all that kind of stuff, but I need to not feel guilty. I'm at peace with everything that's happened, and I just need to move forward. And I know that's what my grandmother would want. She wouldn't want me to worry and be upset, and, you know, just kind of make most of my life right now and things. So I will have bad days and stuff. It's not like I'm making this video and everything's gonna be all better again and stuff, but I think this will help me kind of move forward and come back on and do my regular uploading and stuff. So thank you all so much for listening and just being a great support and listening ear during this time. I've been posting and just kind of wanted to let you all know what was going on, but I just really appreciate all the kind, you know, comments and messages I've been getting and that kind of stuff. So just thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.